Hello guys, in this tutorial video I'm going to show you the basics of XChat, which is a IRC client and an internet relay chat client, XChat, and this version 2. So you can get the XChat from silverx.org/download, go website, and you can download the latest XChat installer. It's 2.8.6.2 maybe, I think, and it's 8.1 megabytes size. So I'm going to show you the basics, how you use it for basic IRC chatting. So once you launch the software, you will see the network list. You have to provide a nickname here. I'm going to name it to Dan one. I provide already second choice, third choice, username, and real name. And here's the networks. IRC networks. You can go and search on Google for IRC networks and you'll find. So if you are technology enthusiast mainly, then you will love the GigShare. It's the IRC channel network for all the gigs on YouTube. You'll find every gigs on YouTube, nearly every gigs on YouTube on this GigShare IRC chat client. So if you want a personal chatting with those guys, then you can use this IRC network. So I'm going to remove the GigShare for now, and I'm going to add for you to show you how to add a new network. So first you click add and then name it whatever you want. I'm going to name it to GigShare, and then select it and go to edit, and then you'll find a server for GigShare, new server. Just select it and name it rc.gigshare.net. Okay, so click connect to, So once you run that, you'll see connecting and other stuff. You can leave all those things as they are, and basically name it to rc.gigshare.net, and then you can close it. Then click the server, and then basically connect. And you connect to it to the IRC server or gigshare.net. Here's a website, gigshare.net, and here's a website, basically. And when you are connected to the server, it gives you authentication complete. Now you will join channel letter, join this channel. You can name a channel like Jake to this channel, and also you can open the channel list window. It will list all these channels in this server. So basically, as you can see, it's listing up all the channels in this server. Basically, you can select one of them here and click join channel on the right hand side. Also you can search for specific people by their name, like Jake or Rohanom maybe. And then once you found the network channel, you just click join channel, and you will be joining the channel in no time. So basically you can join channel as many as you want. I'm going to say it also to Jackie. Okay, so I'm going to join channel. Basically you're done. Once you can see that window by clicking on list of channels. Okay, list of channels. So then here it shows the server, then the channels here. Jake Rohanom. Okay, so basically you gotta start chatting by writing anything here. Yes, you can write anything. Rohanom, you can write across there anything. On right hand side, it shows you all those users online and on here on this side, on this channel user. Also, you can see the messages here. Also, people are chatting here. And you can see Martin IP, I think it's Martin Productions on YouTube, Martin I Productions on YouTube, and loads of people here. And Hayden A, I think he is Hayden. Okay, so also you can see Rohanom. You can just here. You can go to window and see band list. Those are band people on this channel. Then characters, direct chat. You can chat with people directly, like maybe a personal message you want. A friend list is a friends list. then URL grabber. You can right click on any user and you will see the real name, user, country, server, lost message unknown. Open dialog window, you can chat with him personally, maybe. Then you can also right click and send a file. You can send the file. User info, you can see the user's info, user's account info. Add to friends list, you can add it to your friends list. And if some new message is there for you, standing for the read, like so, as you can see, Jake is read. As you can see, the message here, kitchen or project over. So basically, that's how you chat. All the other things here is settings. I'm going to show you the preferences here. As you can see, interface text box. We can always change the font. As you can see, if you install the XChat for fast on, the font will never look like this. So you change the font by going to preferences and go to text box and go browse and select a font from this big list. Background image, also you can change the background image. I've never tried it before. Transparency settings, also you can set transparency, input box, and channel switcher, colors, lots of things here. And sound, you can add sound. If something happens on XChat, it gives you a sound. You can hear that sound. Like if you band, it gives you a sound. If you invite it, then you hear sound. Network basically, network setup. Now setup and file transfer settings, downloading and uploading settings here. And basically that's all about preferences. And server, once you are connected to a server, you can always click server and click disconnect to disconnect from that server. Also you can click on reconnect to that server. And then you can always list up channel. If you open the list window, you see like this. You can always list this. You can see the list and click on list of windows right there and press enter and on find, and it will show all those search server and then go to server and then go to list of channels and press enter on find, and will show all those channels are on this server. It's about 1215 channels on the server, so that's a lot of I can also find from and join a new channel from this list. Okay, so view also have view settings here and XChat message network list. If you want to join new network, I mean new server, that's not XChat, a dual new server that has different channels. You can always click any of them here that are already here. So you can select any of them and go and find it. And it will connect you to that server that you just selected. Also, you can new server tab. You can open a new server tab, and it will open a new server tab here. Also, you can channel tab. New channel tab with the server. If you know the main server window, a new window that's detached from the main XChat. Okay, you can always detach that window by clicking that detach there. Okay. Also, you can load and what plugin was kept. Also, detach. I showed you that. Network lists, and that's pretty much it. How you use XChat for basic IRC chatting. And there are also a lot of commands for IRC that are really cool. I'm gonna share this in another video. So goodbye for now, and goodbye.